Hello children, today we are going to discuss exercise 1.2. So the first question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So look at the first statement. Every irrational number is a real number. Here the question is given as every irrational number is a real number. Now let us recall what is a real number. A real number is a collection of all rational as well as irrational numbers. But here the statement is every irrational number is a real number is a statement. So obviously every irrational number is a subset of real number, but a real number consists of additionally rational numbers also. Here the statement is not like every real number is irrational. Here understand the statement correctly. Every irrational number is a real number. So the answer is yes. Real number is the collection of all rational and irrational numbers. So the answer is correct. Come to the second question. What is second one? Every point on the number line is of the form of square root of m, where m is a natural number. Here what they are telling is, in the number line, you know how to draw a number line, you know what is a number line is. Here when we talk about number line, we are talking about the real number lines. So in real number lines, every point is of the form of square root of m, where m is a natural number. They are telling that every number in the square number line can be written in the form of square root of m, where m is a natural number. Is it possible? No, the answer is false, because when you consider negative numbers are not the square root of any natural numbers, because the square root of any number is always a positive number and is never a negative number. Here in real number system, in real number line, we have a positive as well as negative numbers. Okay, so when we consider any negative number is not the square root of any natural number. So the answer is false, because negative numbers are not the square root of any natural numbers. What is third subdivision is, every real number is an irrational number. Now compare the first and third statement. First statement is every irrational number is a real number. Here every real number is an irrational number. Is it true? No, because we have numbers in the number system which may also be a rational number. Here what the statement is, every, underline the word every real number is an irrational number. So obviously the answer is false, because for example when we consider square root of 9 is 3 can be written in the form of p by q, that is 3 can be written as 3 by 1, where here the numerator 3 and 1 both are integers and the denominator q is not equal to 0 as well. So we have a number in the real number line which is also a rational number. So every real number is an irrational number is false.